The gouge. Don't do it as tall. Oh yeah, there.
Oh, dude, bag it, right here.
Bag it. There you go.
Thanks.
Fantastic.
Gross. Oh, dude, bag it, right here.
Bag it. There you go.
Thanks.
Fantastic. Teamwork.
There's no I in team.
No, but there is a me.
Oh, I never thought about that. Just kidding. I already knew about that.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Lord. Yep, there's C's on there.
Please, Robert.
Delete South Carolina. I don't need a baggie.
Oh, all right then. All right, fine. You take these.
These what?
These nuts and bolts to the face.
Oh,
Is it?
quite.
Oh, quite.
He's prepared.
That's how we did in the movie Battleship.
It's good stuff.
Back when I served as a sea guy.
Sea guy. That's what they're called.
Sea
That's their
guy.
Official names.
Sea guy.
Sea guy, third class.
Sea guy. Petty officer, sea guy. Nice. Whole lot of room up in here.
Let's go and show the giant massive tools that we got.
Yeah, it's just a nut plate.
Yeah, that's an upplay.
And just screws in, and take the baffling off. We'll be good to go. I will.
Where's that spark plug? Stay.
Making it sound like it was really tight.
Well, I couldn't get it with my hands. I guess they're too oily.
Here you go. Right, push rod. Is this the intake one that you just took off? That I gave to you?
Yeah. Don't forget the washes.
Important. Sealant.
I wonder if that's gonna get in the way of us taking it off. Anyways, push rod housing.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need that tool.
Yeah.
Our makeshift tool.
We'll get gloves.
We got a little wire in the way we need to be careful of. Yeah, this one hurts.
Yeah. We have the young guys here.
Where? Me? Yeah, I know.
Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
A little hairy.
Little hairy. Okay.
Part dos. You ready again?
I'm ready again. Got it. Bueno.
Yep. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, just a little bit.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then there should be another through bolt. Bottom here. Yep. That bolt too to see if that moves.
It's not.
Hoping that it doesn't, then we won't have to worry about anything. Herd of sheep?
Heard as in I heard you. Heard?
Gen Z.
Bet.
Fire.
See, that's better than what's out there right now. Way better. What size is that?
Yes.
Okay.
9/16. You're not gonna want to use that one.
Why?
It's too big. It's gonna get stuck. I mean, you can, but I'd rather use this.
It's okay. No, I got it. Using my man hands here.
Yeah, your bitch hands. I got it.
Man hands.
Where's Alan? He wasn't here yesterday.
Yeah, he was.
I went over to the shop.
What time yesterday?
Early morning, I guess.
We eventually came. Well, he had to go fix his headlight and go to the car wash.
Oh, we had to do that, though. Priorities, you know.
Oh, okay. Yeah. No bags.
No, these are like primary bolts. I'm gonna keep these like it's not random parts hardware. It's the main mission. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Now, to turn the prop, push that piston out for a sec so I can take it off. Other way. Yep, right there's fine. Again, we got a tight wrist pin. Tough. I hate when that happens. See, it should just come right out, but it's not.
Oop. I can feel it. You're working it. You're working it.
Okay. Feels like it went through.
I got stuck here at the end.
Okay, hold on.
Or maybe I just have greasy hands. Fantastic.
Now, yeah. No damage to the machine surface.
Looks good.
Okay. How's the inside of that feel? Any gouges?
I feel a little scratch in there.
That's that feels like it's a two-piece.
Two-piece bearing combined.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Yeah. 'Cause I didn't touch it at all. So. Yeah. See the line here? Look, you can see the lip here. Look.
Oh, I gotcha.
See that
Oh,
line?
yeah,
It's
yeah.
It's a two-part bearing. It's squeezed into place. I am. Look at that though. See how it's sticking out though?
Yeah.
The gouge. Donde está? Oh yeah, there. Gouge it out.
Feel a little step in there. Epic. Just some nose toweling.
Here.
Huh?
Should have done this. Just walk it down.
Oh, you didn't walk the dog?
Walk the dog. Is that what we're calling it?
Dog walking. Oh, I gotcha.
No, I didn't do the first one.
For the top.
I don't think this one has a top and bottom.
They look the same both ways.
Yeah, and it's not labeled, so I'm pretty sure it just goes right wherever I put it. I knew that would happen.
Oh, that's okay. Did it unseat?
That's what your mom said. All right.
Roasted.
Boom roasted.
Boom, roasted.